Hello friends, in this tutorial we will explore basics of sets in Python. So let's start. So set and or sets are inbuilt data structure in Python which you can use to store unique values in your program or through program database. So to create sets we can use like this: set1 is equal to and curly brackets to create sets. The one way to create sets and iterate sets, we can use for loop for I in set1 and print I, and we can see that we are getting results 1 2 3. These are unordered list. Unique values are saved in sets, but these are not in ordered list. These are unordered list but unique values. This is the one way to create set. The other way to create set is like this: another set is equal to set constructor, built-in function or method in Python that you can use to create sets like this. And for this we can store one value inside it as a string. If we want to store as a string, we can do it like this. And if we want to store multiple values but different values, then we can use list, and this is the way to store values. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, any number, you can store any unique number. And the benefits of using set, that sets do not allow you to store duplicate values. So in case if you want unique set of values, unique collection of items, then you can use sets. You can see that. So this is the use of constructor, and in which we created list. What is constructor? Constructor is built in a kind of function, or you can say that option to create sets more faster or quickly any other way. So now this is the way to create sets. Now we can do various things with sets. For example, if we want to add items in set, then we can use set1 dot add method. These are the methods that we will use. Set1 dot add. What we want in set1, we want to add string vj, and let's now print my set1, and you can see that we got vj on the number 1. But now if you run the program again, you can see that the vj is going down here, and when we run it again, you can see that there are so many differences. That's why we say it's an unordered list. Unordered mean reflect or show you result in unordered list but unique values, not like list or tuples. The second way, if we want to remove something from set1, we can use another method like remove. For example, if we set 2, we don't have 2, but if we want to remove 4, let's run the program, and you can see that now we don't have 4 in our display. So this is the way to remove 4. But if we removed something that we do not have in sets, then we will get the error, and this is the key error. Now you can see that if we try to remove something that we do not have in the sets, then we will get the error. Now another way to do it, you can use discard, and for discard the function will work but it will not give you error. So if you want to remove something that is not currently in the sets and you do not want to raise the error, so you can use discard option. But if in case you have the item in the set, but if and you want to remove that, you can use remove very simply collections. So this is the way to add and remove the items in the program. Now go through some of the basic operations. We can do many other operations with this, like if we want to join two sets together, so we can do it like this: combined set. I named this variable combined set, and in which we will use set1 and dot union and another set. So now set1 joined with another set, that is, let me name it set2, so it will look little easier to understand. Combined set, combined collections. Now set2, now we will iterate it and we name it combined set because this is combined set. And let's run the program again. Now you can see that we have combined the two different sets. Now the other way of doing it, the better way or the faster way that you can use to combine, you can use operators to combine any sets, like this operator set2. The operation performed, and without operator you can write union. Now for example, if we want to check common things in sets, so for that we have to create another. For example, let me create a new sets here, which means we have to combine class 1 in attendees and class 2 common things between two sets. Like if we have class 1 and class 2, and if we want to know which people have attended both class, So now attendance in both class is equal to, now we want to check which one, if we want to check which students have attended both class, we can do it through sets and we can do it through intersection. And for intersection we can do like this, class 1 dot intersection, and then in brackets you can add class 2. So when we print attendees, this is a very long, let me short it, attended both. Okay, so now let's print. Now you can see that Suresh, Alice and Vijay attended both class, but Virender haven't attended. So this is the way how it works. And you can check the common thing between sets, the common value in sets with the intersection option. And if you want to do it with shortcut or with operator, you can use class 1 and operator with class 2 and it will perform the same operation, and you can see this here. And if we want to do it little better, we can use it with for loop for I in at both, print I, and run the program. Now you can see that like this. And if we add here Virender again for experiment, let's see, you can see the both. And to remove these here, I can see that we have only two commonalities or intersection like this, that both of these attendees, both of these people attended both these classes. So this is the way to find common things. Now let's work on the another very important operation, and that is the main operation of sets, and to find a unique difference between two sets. And this is very important. How you can do it? First we have to create something like this. We have items in stocks, and it's very useful in data analysis and to making decision making. And if you want to create in a user dashboard to give your admin a power to understand the stocks and customer. Now start sets here. Item, we have mobile, we have desktop, we have drones or drone, and we have watch. Now customer cart, we have another. Now what customer ordered? Mobile, desktop, tablet, timer, and we have another item, digital meter. So now let's check the difference. We have set it name difference just for this exercise, and now it will check the first set difference function. This function automatically check only the first item's unique values. So now you can see the timer and tablet. These are the difference thing, and that is tablet and timer. And if we add tablet and timer above, tablet here and timer here, let's only add tablet. Run the program again. Now you will see only we have a difference timer. So the customer ordered timer, we do not have that. Else all the items in customer cart, we all have that. So this is the benefits of using difference. Now there are various other things that you can use, and for shortcut, let me give you the shortcut. You can use customer cart, and you can use hyphen along with item in stock and run the program. Now you can see that the program work the same. So now let's go through another way, and if we want to check any other things like total items in cart, we can store with length function, and inside we can use customer cart. And if we print total items in cart, we can see that we have 4 order and 4 items in the shopping cart, in customer cart. So this is the way how you can do it. We have copy and many other. So whatever the way you use it, sets are very useful in data analysis to perform specific calculations and to create reports or to create a specific options in your application, in your tools that help you to uniquely represent the data and help the user and help in building the great user experience. So this is the way how you can use sets in Python, and in this tutorial we have explored all the basics. I hope you will understand everything, every detail what we have discussed here, and for more advanced things that we can do with sets and what sets provide us in Python, we will explore that in upcoming tutorials. So thank you very much for watching.